Hello, how are you all? Welcome to yet another video. This is your host Shashwat Verma and you are watching the channel Shashwat.powerlift. And today we are going to review a product called Black Spider. That is a very wickedly potent fat burning agent, which is what is written on the label. So this is manufactured by a company called Cloma Pharma. Alright, so there have been people who had asked me about reviewing certain fat burning products, and while I was in lookout of such products, I checked online and couldn't find any reviews on this one. So this is and here I am giving my personal experience, my personal review of this product. And I never endorse use of such products. It is just a review of my self use, and even if you have to use it, you have to use it on your own risk. So fat burning agent Black Spider 25. It has 25 milligrams of ephedra with other proprietary blend substances. The whole list is here. I'm not sure if you can see it on the video, but I'll put up a list of all these ingredients. I'll break down this video in 3 parts. Number 1, what does it do and how does it do it? Number 2, effects and side effects. And number 3, when to take it and who should take it. So part number 1, what does it do and how does it do? It is a blend of many substances, some vitamins, some white willow bark, caffeine, and the promoted one, which is called ephedra. It has 25 grams of ephedra. So what does it do? As soon as you consume it, within 15 to 20 minutes you'll start feeling something different in your body, and this product generates enormous heat within your body. So when I talk about enormous heat, you will start feeling slightly hot on your belly, on the core section. So it has a thermogenic effect. What thermogenic effect is? It tries to mobilize and burn and melt that stored lipo or fat cells to provide energy. So it doesn't do that directly, but it starts burning them inside, and as soon as you start to do certain activities, it breaks down these fatty cells into available energy source. So by consuming these tablets, these capsules, it does not work directly like a magic unless you start working out, or unless you start moving and involved in certain physical activities. You'll only feel the side effects, but you won't lose that extra fat or flab. So this generates enormous heat, gives you that extra energy, helps you in enhancing the metabolism, and it definitely helps in fat burning, because I have used it. I've used it for a few weeks, and this has about 100 capsules in it, and I have only consumed 30 or 40 capsules. So this I did so I consumed this product about 3 months ago, and if you can see, it still has lot of capsules left. I would not recommend it to take for longer duration, more than 3 weeks, and the recommended dosage on the label is about 2 capsules a day. Do not exceed 2 capsules a day, and I recommend to take just one is more than enough. Now coming to the effects and side effects, what do you feel after consuming it? So once you consume this tablet, immediately in 15-20 minutes you'll start certain changes, certain effects in your body. What those changes are: you'll immediately feel an elevated heart rate. It's not like it will elevate to 40-50 counts, but it will be a slight elevation. You'll be able to feel it, and because of that heart rate, blood flow increase, the blood pressure would be slightly increased. And due to these increased blood pressure and increased heart rate, you will feel a little more anxious. Your anxiety levels will increase. You'll feel that palpitation. You'll feel something running inside your body. You'll feel that uneasiness. that is a major side effect of consuming this, and that is because of that this 25 gram of ephedra. Now there is another product available in the market called Black Mama, which is 65. Now this 25 mg ephedra does so much to your body. I wonder what 65 mg would do. And many people are not able to handle this uneasiness and different feeling, because it's unnatural to our bodies. Imagine having this feeling for the entire day, that uneasy feeling, that unstable feeling, and the other thing which you start feeling is shiveryness and that shakiness. So when I consume it and early during the day, immediately after consuming it, I can feel this shakiness. Even my voice starts jittering, and I have consumed it today just for the sake of having those feelings back to review this product. And I know my voice is very jittery. I can feel it. I'm not sure if the video can tell that difference, but my voice is jittery, my body is shaking, I am feeling a little shiverish, and since the morning I am feeling that shiver. It's more like when you're nervous in front of somebody, so it's that similar feeling when you are talking after consuming it. And you also feel bit of feeling of being full till here. So imagine that feeling when you feel pukish. So it's kind of somewhat that similar feeling, but you don't actually puke. You don't have that pukish feeling, but you have that feeling of being full till here. So that is what this does. It generates a lot of heat inside the body, and you get that uneasy feeling. Now the best time of consumption for this fat burner is early in the morning, not 6 a.m. or 5 a.m. but then whenever you wake up, 8 a.m. 9 a.m. consume it before 10 a.m. and some people say that it should be taken on empty stomach. I don't recommend that. You should at least have a cup of tea and few biscuits, or at least have something mild in your stomach, and then consume one capsule, and later on you can have your regular breakfast. But it should be taken early during the day, because the major side effect of this capsule is that you will have insomnia. You would not be able to sleep if you consume it later during the day. Now I have had this experience myself. I made that mistake of consuming it in the afternoon around 2 or 3 p.m. and I couldn't sleep the entire night that day. How ironic, night and day. Okay. Jokes apart, so who should take it and why should you take it, and who should stay away from it? So I would not recommend people who are new to the fitness to consume it. I mean, if you are recently starting to work out, if you are recently starting physical activities, you should not consume it. You should definitely stay away. People who are used to working out, people who are used to exercising for a longer period, longer duration, and want to cut that extra fat and increase their metabolism should consider this, or let's say can consider this, because it is a very potent agent. And if you are very new, let's say you have never worked out and you want to start working out, you should at least wait a few months before your bodies get used to this working out regime. Now people who are patients of high blood pressure already should definitely stay away, because this will elevate that blood pressure furthermore, and it could be lethal and could be problematic for you. This product definitely works. So if you have hit a plateau and you have been stuck at one position and not losing fat or weight anymore, then you can start consuming this with slight changes in your workout regime as well, and then you would definitely see certain changes and loss in weight and fat. So again, I do not recommend it. You can definitely go ahead, and this is my personal experience. It does work, and if you are old enough in the fitness and you're used to fitness and want to burn extra fat, you can consume one capsule a day. People new to fitness regime should definitely stay away from this fat burning agent. It definitely works. It is as written on the label, it is wickedly potent. It gives you wicked and weird feelings, something like this current and ants running on your body from toe to up. that is how it gives you that feeling. So this is my experience, my review of Black Spider 25 product. There is a lot of duplicacy for this product in the market. You should only buy it from trusted sources, and to check check its genuineness, there is a barcode and the QR code which you can scan. All the instructions are written, and this will clarify if this product is genuine or not. If you are in Delhi, I would put up a number of the guy who I bought it from, who I trust, and you can call him up and check for this product or other products. He'll definitely help you out. So this is me, Shashwat Verma, signing off with this product's review. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let me know if you want me to review other products. I will definitely go ahead and try it.